are you all? I think everyone is fine. We all need a lot of applications for how many jobs, and these applications are free, but put a watermark on the apps. Again, today, we will learn how to remove watermark professionally for free. And I will give the link of the application in the description box. You can download it for free from here. Let's start without exaggeration. After downloading the application, first click on Remove Watermark. Then select the video that will be watermarked. Then just put this box where the watermark is. After selecting, click on the eggplant. Then see if the watermark has been professionally removed. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and stay tuned.